It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
All right, in Quartzsite, Arizona, we picked up some mild pickled quail eggs. And the boys are gonna give them a try.
Really?
I don't like the sound of the boys.
All right. Ooh, when you first pop that jar open, you can smell that jalapeno in there. So let's pull out some of these eggs. Nice, tiny little quail eggs. They're like, oh, that one split right open when I squeezed it a little. So they're just like hard-boiled eggs. Who wants to go first?
I would. Is that a jalapeno in the jar?
It is.
That looks like a pickle. Mom, I don't want to eat it.
I'll set the jar there for you to look at.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Let me sit down. You'll be on YouTube.
Yuck.
Yuck.
Delicious. Oh, yeah.
It looks disgusting inside.
Yeah. Disgusting. I like it. I don't
thumbs down.
really like it.
Actually, it's
Who just want to eat some more? And more and more. Mom,
Who wants to eat some more?
I would eat one or two. No, a lot of. You can eat a lot of.
All right, try another and see what you think. What are they like? Are they like hard-boiled eggs?
They're much smaller in the inside.
They're disgusting.
Yeah, they're disgusting.
How do you know? You haven't even tried them. And they're very sour, actually.
What you thinking over there, James?
None.
Are they gonna come back up?
They almost did. Mine feel like they're about to come back up.
Are they spicy with the jalapeno in there?
A little. Not much.
It gives it the flavor. I need water.
Are you gonna try them? All right, thumbs up or thumbs down?
Ew.
James, the camera's over here.
Ew.
So we'll have 3 thumbs downs and 1 sideways, but yours is kind of going down too, Colin. Are you changing your mind?
No.
Should people buy these?
No. They should just buy a whole bunch of them and then throw them in the trash. Or they should buy them and then feed them to someone else.
They should buy them, eat some of the eggs, and eat the jalapeno. Mama.
Who wants to take a bite of the jalapeno?
I will.
Try it.
God.
No, don't take
It's
a bite.
all yours.
Are you sure you're gonna do this?
Yes. It's gonna be spicy. Squeezing out all the juice. Ready?
Yeah, jalapenos that are disgusting. No.
That is disgusting, not spicy. Disgusting.
Ew. Does that go down?
I'm out.
There he is.
Stay out here if you're gonna vomit.
That doesn't taste that good.
What are you going to do?
Are you gonna finish it?
Did you eat the jalapeno?
Yeah. No, which one I do? I got it at the burger shop. Bye-bye.